All right, we're going to get started on our Unit 3. This is Unit 3, Lesson 1, Slope. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is the x and y intercept of a line. So let's say I have this line right here, 3x minus 2y equals 7. Now, if you remember, the x and y intercept would be the point at which, my x-intercept is the point at which the line crosses the x-axis, and my y-intercept is the point at which it crosses the y-axis. So my x-intercept has a x value and a 0 y value, and my y-intercept has a 0x value and then an unknown y value. So to find the x and y intercept, I can first plug 0 in for y. So that would be 3x minus 2 times 0 equals 7, and negative 2 times 0 is 0, so 3x equals 7. So we have x equals 7/3. All right, so that's my x-intercept is 7/3. You could write it 7/3 0. Now to find the y-intercept, I'm going to plug 0 in for x. Let's change our color and plug 0 in for x. So 3 times 0 minus 2y equals 7. 3 times 0 is 0. Divide by negative 2. Y equals negative 2/7. And we could write that 0, negative 2/7. That would be the y-intercept. Now this question wants us to find the sum. So to find the sum, I would have to add them together. So that would be 7/3 plus negative 2/7. We have to get common denominators. So the least common denominator would be ooh, I flipped it. Oh, do you guys see that? Sorry, I was just looking and I noticed I flipped my value from this problem to this one. So actually, it's not negative 2/7. Actually, 7/2. Okay, so let's go back and change this to 7/2. So the least common denominator here would be 6. So what do I need to multiply the first denominator by to get 6? Well, I'd multiply it by 2. Second one, I'd multiply it by 3. So I'd have 14/6 plus a negative 21/6 would give me negative 7/6. So the sum of my two intercepts would be negative 7/6.